Hi besties, Lexi lecturer here. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today is a magnetic lash try on video slash Foxy AF lashes review. Before we jump right in, make sure that you click that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and click that like button while you're down there as well. If you like fashion videos, beauty videos, lifestyle, vlog style content, whatever, that's pretty much I'm about over here. So other than that, we will just get straight into the video. Okay, I'm so excited to try these on. As you guys can see, I let all of my lash extensions fall out for this video specifically. When Foxy AF reached out to me, I just fell in love with their brand. Their marketing is so cute and the person I was dealing with was so sweet. So of course I was hyped to work with them. They are sponsoring this video, so shout out to them. I'm gonna show you guys all of these styles that they sent me. They sent me a style in Cutie Pie, Heartbreaker, Jawdropper, and then they also sent me one in the Wild Child style. So we have a lot to play with today. I'm hyped because I've never actually tried on magnetic lashes before, so I'm really excited to see how this goes down. I want them to work so badly, and if they do, who knows, maybe I'll give my lash extensions an actual break because I'm sure my natural lashes could use a little vacay from those lash extensions. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start off with the second to fullest lash that I have on here. I wanna leave the fuller ones for the end. I am just following the application instructions that come in the package. It really is just easy to follow, and there's actually an easy removal application on the back. Well, removal steps. There's removal steps on the back. That wouldn't be an application. All right, moving forward. I'm just gonna make sure that I don't have any like oil on my lash line since I do have makeup on already. I just wanna make sure that they are like prepped and good to go, just to make sure that magnetic liner can just apply perfectly. I do have my little magnetic liner in here, and then I also have the little tweezer applicators. All right, so I'm just gonna shake the bottle and make sure that everything is good to go in here. I'm actually gonna zoom you guys in so you can see what's happening. Here we go. Up close and personal, we love to see it. Here is what the applicator looks like. It's really nice and thick. Let's do it. So, not really like a professional liquid liner queen. So, if this is uneven, mind your business. Thank you. Okay, so you're supposed to wait till it's completely dry if I'm not mistaken. Double check my little guy here. Leave to dry for 2 minutes. If you need a more secure hold, apply a second coat focusing on the corners. I feel like I got it pretty well. I'm just gonna leave it as is. I'm gonna set my little 2-minute timer here, and then we're gonna apply this baby. I'm excited. I have high hopes, high hopes. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Here we go. All right. Ah! Why am I nervous? Okay, besties, let's see how this works. All right, I'm just holding my lash close to the inner corner. Let's do this thing, baby. Oh, wow. Y'all see that? Okay, honey. I mean, that was such a good first experience, so I hope you guys could see. I'll show you on the other one just in case I didn't get a good enough angle, but I mean, just like a magnet, you know, just like adhere straight to my lash line. When I used to wear strip lashes with glue, I feel like I just could never get them to like align perfectly with my lash line, and these look pretty freaking good. I'm not gonna lie, they look pretty freaking good. So I'm gonna do the other eye because I can't wait to see this whole moment. Let's do this in quick time so nobody gets bored here, okay? We still got why can't I talk? I'll zoom you guys in even more for this one. Oh, sorry besties. So once again, just really making sure my outer corner and my inner corner are good to go. That f***ing easy. These are honestly so lovely. Okay, so let's get the obvious part out of the way. Obviously, it was so easy to apply these, right? I mean, you guys saw. And the fact that the lash style is so stunning, I think that makes it even a little bit better for me. And if you're not somebody who likes lashes these full, don't worry, I'm gonna pop on the 2 thinner versions for you guys soon. That's not really my vibe, but I'll do it for my besties, okay? Now you could obviously just like continue your makeup as normal, do like your lower lash line and it would look stunning. I personally like the kind of like doll eye look, so this is exactly how I would wear them. Okay, let's try on another style, shall we? I'm gonna go ahead and do those 2 thinner styles first. Okay, so the next set is Cutie Pie, and these are super duper thin, but I'm gonna try them on for you guys, okay? Don't worry, like I said, I got you. First thing I'm gonna do is just take these off, and I wanna show you guys how easy they are to pull off, like literally. That's it. And then you just stick them back in your case, which is gonna be so nice to travel with. And obviously there's little magnets in here too, so it just attaches right back on. Like literally, these are so innovative. I feel like these are really good for someone who isn't used to wearing lashes, but maybe just wants like something a little extra. All right, let's move on to the Heartbreaker set. I would say this is like a good demi-wispy sort of situation. Honestly, like if I'm wearing lashes, I want a va va boom. You know what I mean? Like I'm not wearing lashes to blend in. No, we don't do that here. But I know a lot of y'all may do that, so that's totally fine. These are the perfect lashes for you. Okay, it's almost time for the grand finale. I literally cannot wait to try on this last lash style. Literally so hype. Oh, I already love it. I already love it. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, she's giving me rich bitch vibes and I'm here for it. I actually just applied a little bit more eyeliner, waited the 2 minutes because I noticed that that corner was kind of popping up a little bit on this one, which is totally fine. It's super easy fix. You just put a little bit more eyeliner on. Okay, last little guy goes on here. Oh wow, the second coat of eyeliner really made it hold a lot better. I mean, I don't feel like this one's gonna fall off by any means, but I can just feel like it's on there. It's on there a little bit better. So that would be my advice. Definitely do 2 coats of liner. Okay! I love these. These are obviously my favorite. I knew they would be. That's why I wanted to wait till the end. But I mean, come on, serving face. All right, so that brings us to the end of this review slash try on slash tutorial situation. I hope this video was super helpful for y'all in terms of just how to apply them and just also learning about another brand. My final thoughts is obviously that I stand, okay? I don't even know if I'm gonna go back to lash extensions, and that's saying a lot for me, okay? Like I said, I could probably use a little break from lash extensions. As you guys saw, I basically have nothing up there, but thank God for my magnetic lashes in the meantime. So if you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and leave them in the comment section down below, or you can hit me up on Instagram at Lexi Luxury. Feel free to come find me on there. Say hi, send me a DM, whatever. I love to say hi and just talk to you guys, honestly. If you like videos like this, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.